Welcome to Speak Drift.
Step 1. Find the right parking spot. Step 2. Align your rear bumper with the car in front, keeping a 2-foot gap from the parked car. Step 3. Turn your wheels fully right in reverse until you see the back car's license plate. Step 4. Straighten the wheel and reverse until your car's front passes the first car's rear bumper. Step 5. Turn the wheel fully left and reverse until you're behind the car. Step 6. Straighten the wheel and position the car centrally. Mastering parallel parking is all about control and patience. Keep practicing, and soon it'll feel effortless.
Don't stop here.